The next pose is gate pose. And for this, you'll need to come to the side of your chair. So keeping one hand on the chair so you feel stable, but it's one leg, one butt cheek is resting on the chair. And if it feels comfortable, I invite you to straighten the side leg. Your toes can either be facing the wall on the side of you or facing front toward me. It doesn't matter. And just see if you feel comfortable here. You're really working with now the side of the hip. So I invite you to take your arm up toward the sky. Inhale here, and as you exhale, lean over away from that straight leg. Keeping one hand on the chair so you feel nice and stable. Inhale and come up. As you exhale, leaning over, see if you can go a little deeper. Do you feel the stretch down your side body? Look how long you're creating your body. Inhale and come up. One last time. Exhale and lean. See if you can go a little bit deeper. Your toes are reaching far away. Your fingers reaching up and over. And coming up, and bring that leg in. We'll try that to the other side. So scoot yourself over on your chair. Remember, you have one leg, one butt cheek on the chair. Your other leg is straight out to the side. Your toes can either be pointing away from you or toward me. And one hand is on the chair. The other hand, I invite you to raise it toward the sky. Inhale, and as you exhale, leaning over, creating that long, straight side body. Inhale and come up. Exhale, breathe into the side body. Feel your ribs separating. Inhale and come up, and this time exhale deeply. Feel the stretch all the way into your hip. Nice, long, long side body. And coming up. Beautiful. And that's it. Take 5 yoga, 5 minutes of mat-free yoga for beginners and gentle yogis. If you'd like to learn more about my midlife yoga program, please visit my website, www.youarerightontime.com. I'll see you for our next episode of Take 5 Yoga. And until then, I wish you namaste and peace.